Hi, Matt Beyer of Matt Beyer Organizing with the plain truth about organizing. Now, in case you think I misspelled plane, no, I'm making a lame pun.
A plane, P-L-A-N-E, is defined as a flat surface on which a straight line joining any 2 points on it would wholly lie.
So how do I explain this play on words? Effective organizing is all about the plane game. Why?
Let's begin with your number one organizing tool, a clear work surface. When you have a clear work surface, you have the power to spread out, identify the elements competing for your attention, prioritize, and process.
Think I'm wrong?
Fill up your remaining clear work surfaces and watch how much harder it is to get organized and to stay organized.
If you try this and I am wrong, please let me know in the comments. Keeping a clear work surface is so important that I would go so far as to say this. All organizing systems should be designed to support the vital, clear work surface.
Of course, you will want to devote some surfaces to display items and to frequently used tools, but it should never be squandered on storage. Your clear work surface is your most valuable player in the plane game.
The other obvious horizontal plane is your floor. One of my organizing colleagues, Susan Lavallo of Clutter Solutions, says this: the only thing that belongs on the floor is furniture.
I agree. I might add that feet and furniture belong on the floor, but that's it.
Beside the obvious disadvantage of feeling crowded by a floor with piles,
there's the less obvious disadvantage of accessibility denied. When you get comfortable with a piles on the floor option, you'll find these piles blocking access to cabinets and closets, which are sensible storage solutions.
This leads to not knowing what you have in closets and cabinets,
which leads to multiple purchases, keeping things you don't need, not putting things away, and all sorts of things that sabotage your ability to organize.
Do you have a closet floor that's smothered with shoes?
That makes it hard to access the items on your shelves and the items hanging on your closet rod.
So show your floor some love. It can be your organizing friend if you let it be. So the first rule for playing the plane game is to understand
and respect the value of a clear work surface and an open floor. Recognizing their importance is the first step in getting organized and in staying organized.
The second rule then is to clear the horizontal planes.
Seek all opportunities to discard, donate, sell, and relocate all items that clutter your floors and surfaces.
The third rule is to work the vertical plane. There are ultimately only two directions for things to go: out or up. Out refers to all the opportunities in Rule 2.
Up refers to taking advantage of vertical storage. Is it possible to shelve or hang what's on your horizontal planes?
Anytime you can shift what's on a horizontal plane to a vertical plane, you should.
Remember the value of those horizontal planes for processing and access.
Finally, enjoy the victory. When you play the plane game, you win, because now it is easier to stay organized for 3 reasons.
1. You will always have clear surfaces for processing the things that come into your life. 2. You will have open clearance on your floors for easily accessing items on the vertical plane. 3. You will have a clear scoreboard of what you have available in front of you when you store on a vertical plane.
For more easy organizing tips, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'll see you around.